Now let us see some of the complex declarations. If I write int star fun 13, okay, so if this is a declaration, in this declaration you see in this precedence table, you will find out that these brackets are having higher precedence than this dereferencing operator. Okay, that means first of all, to find out what this declaration is, we are going to find what is this, and then we are going to give second precedence to this, and then we are going to give third precedence to this, right? So that means this fun is an array of 13 elements. Okay, so and then we will go to the second declaration, and these 13 elements are pointers which are pointers to integers. Okay, that means this is going to declare an array of pointers to integers, right? So but if I declare something like this, int star fun, and then I am declaring 13 here. Okay, so what does this declaration mean? In this declaration, if you go to the precedence table, then you will find out that this parenthesis, even if the parenthesis of like this, or the parenthesis of like this, right? These are brackets which are array subscripts, and if we declare these brackets in one single statement, obviously we know that the precedence of these brackets and the precedence of these brackets are same, so we'll see the associativity. Now if you see this precedence table, you will find out that their associativity is left to right, right? That means first of all we are going to work on this left bracket, that means this left bracket, and then we'll work on this right brackets. So in this right bracket, you will see inside this bracket we are having fun star, right? That means we'll see this fun is a pointer, okay, because of this star, that means this fun is a pointer, and then the second precedence is to these brackets, okay, so to an array of 13 elements. And what are the types of these 13 elements? The types of these 13 elements is integer, which are integers. Okay, right? Now if I do some declaration, something like this, character star fun this. Okay, now you will see in this complete declaration, if you go to the precedence table, you will find out that these brackets are having highest precedence, and here these brackets or these parentheses are specifying a function, right? That means this fun is a function, right? Okay, which is returning a character pointer. So which is returning a character pointer. Okay, and what if I write something like this, character star fun, right? And bracketing this and this. Okay, so in this declaration it means this fun is a pointer to a function. Okay, that means see inside these brackets, first of all because we are having brackets here and here also, and these brackets all of them are having same precedence, therefore we'll see the associativity, and the associativity is left to right, therefore first of all we are going to give more precedence to this left brackets. Okay, and in these left brackets you will see this fun is a pointer. Okay, and after finishing this left bracket we'll go to the right bracket, which is a function, pointer to a function, and that function is returning a character. Okay. Now if I declare something like this, character, let me just take one more page. Now if we declare something like this, character star fun, okay, and these brackets, okay, and then these brackets, and then this. Okay, let us suppose we are having this complex declaration. Now in this complex declaration, you will find that which of these brackets are having highest precedence, right? Here there are nested brackets also. For example, if you see this is one single bracket, that means whatever this data is inside these brackets, and this is some other bracket, okay, and this outer bracket is denoting a function which is returning a character. But we have to identify what are these inner brackets, right? So what are these inner brackets? I'll just write it again. So it is character star fun and these brackets, okay. Now in this case you will find that we'll go to the innermost bracket here. So in the innermost bracket, this fun is a function, okay, and which is returning a pointer. So which is returning a pointer, and this pointer is to an array, this pointer to an array, and this array is of again pointers. This is to an array of pointers, okay, and this complete is to a function. So this innermost bracket and this from this innermost bracket to a function. So it is to a function which is returning this character. So which is returning the character, okay. So if you visualize this, let me just draw it into a diagram. So we can visualize it something like this, that this inner function, so this is, I'm writing this fun, okay, this fun is returning a pointer. So let us suppose this is the return type and this is returning a pointer, okay. To whom it is returning a pointer? It is returning to a pointer to a array. So let us suppose this is the array, okay, and this array is containing pointers. So this array is containing pointers, okay, and these pointers are to this function. So these pointers to this function, that to multiple functions. So let us suppose these are the functions f1, f2, f3, up to so on fn, okay, and this function is returning a character. That means these functions are also returning some character, okay. So you can visualize it like this, that this complete declaration is equivalent to this fun is a function which is returning a pointer to an array, and that array is having pointer to the functions, and these functions are returning characters, okay. And let me just take one more example. Now let us suppose we are having this declaration. Declaration is character star, again one more bracket, fun, again this bracket, four elements, and this bracket, and here I am having 4 elements. So let us suppose we are having this declaration, right? Now in this declaration you will find out that which one of these brackets are having the higher precedence. So if you see this is the outer brackets. So this outer bracket is one single bracket and this is some different bracket, okay. And then in the other brackets, this is one bracket, it is only related to this, and it is some different brackets, Okay, and in this inner bracket we are having this brackets, right? So that means you can see here clearly which brackets are denoting a function. These brackets are denoting a function. Okay, now we'll start from the innermost bracket. So in this innermost bracket we are having this declaration, and this declaration is star, fun and 4, right? That means this fun is an array of 4 elements which are storing pointers. Okay, so because if you don't if it is not clear to you, then you can just check the precedence table. In this precedence table you can see that these brackets, which are array subscripts, are having higher precedence than this dereferencing operator. So this is dereferencing operator, right? That means that is why we are saying this fun is an array of 4 elements which are storing a pointer. Okay, and then again we are having these brackets in this declaration. So let me just write what this is. This fun is an array of 4 elements. Okay, and what are these elements? And these 4 elements are pointers. Okay, and then this pointers, and then we are having these brackets, right? So this complete declaration, and that means if you see this complete declaration, then you will find out that these brackets are having higher precedence. Therefore, we'll see this fun is an array of 4 elements, and these elements are pointers, and which are pointers to a function, right? Which are pointers to a function, right? So that means these are pointers to a function, and these functions are returning pointers, right? As you can see, this function is returning pointers to an array of 4 elements, to an array of 4 elements, right, of type character. Okay, now if you want to visualize this, then you can see this like this. Okay, then you can see it like this, that this fun is an array of 4 elements. That means this is let's suppose this is fun, and it is an array of 4 elements, and these 4 elements are pointers which are pointing to functions. Let us suppose this is the function 1, this is the function 2, this is the function 3, and this is the function 4. Okay, and these functions are returning pointers, so to array of 4 elements of type character. So these functions are returning pointers to array of 4 elements of type characters. Okay, so you can see this declaration like this. Okay, so you can find various complex declaration in GATE examination like this. So do not worry, just remember this precedence table, and if you stuck at any point of time, just break this complete declaration into multiple small steps, right? Now for example, if I wanted to solve this particular declaration which I discussed just now, so to solve this particular declaration, I broken this complete declaration into small steps. Okay, so what are these small steps? So if you see here, I've seen which is the innermost bracket. First of all, I started from the innermost bracket, then I moved toward the outermost brackets, right? And then I told you what is this declaration. Okay,